If you or a loved one are struggling with type 2 diabetes, you should visit the link in the description below. This clinically proven, drug-free program lowers blood sugar to a normal level and can completely reverse type 2 diabetes within just a few weeks. Here's today's video.
The question, can I test myself for diabetes at home without any machines? Answer by Vicky Baman. If you want to check yourself out at home, you can buy diastix without a prescription at a pharmacy. The way it works is you catch some urine in a small paper cup and dip the stick in it. It changes color and that indicates how much sugar is present in the urine. If you have a lot, you should consult a medical professional. If you have a moderate or high amount most of the time, you should see a doctor. You can also buy diastix, which work the same way and test for ketones in the urine. Ketones indicate that your body is breaking down muscle tissue for fuel. If you have ketones in your urine, you definitely need to see a doctor. If it shows a large amount of ketones, go to the emergency room or the nearest urgent care clinic. These are not true diagnostic tests. They are useful to indicate if there is a problem. If you have reason to suspect that you have diabetes, this may confirm your suspicion enough to get you to a doctor. But if they show normal results, you should still discuss your concerns with a medical professional. There are other conditions that might be causing symptoms. Answer by Nikhil Chowdhury. Generally, you cannot exactly check for diabetes at home without any instrument, but the symptoms of diabetes can give an indication that you may have diabetes. Frequent urination, increasing spectacle power, frequent thirst are some of those symptoms. In pre-diabetes situation, the symptoms are different. Most people feel hungry frequently and also gain some weight, though it is not the same with everyone. This is also responsible for a range of diseases that occur, including PCOS in women. In my experience of treating diabetes to reverse their condition, I have also seen that some people who are diabetic and consume junk foods do not show any indication of diabetes and also don't have any health issues, PT high blood sugar when checked. These are people who eat a lot of healthy stuff along with some junk which they consume. It is a savior but can lead to long-term health consequences if sugar levels are not controlled. So I strongly suggest that you keep a check on your sugar levels by testing them at frequent intervals and also taking measures to keep them under control by diet and lifestyle changes. Include medication if necessary for a while till you get your sugar level down to normal ranges. Cheers, Nikhil. Answer by Mad Sachs. Yes, you can buy a glucometer at almost any drugstore or borrow one from a friend with diabetes. Use the glucometer to perform either an oral glucose tolerance test or fasting blood glucose measurement. You can Google detailed instructions on how to perform each of these tests. The fasting glucose test may be easier to do at home. Afterwards, I recommend that you still see a doctor to discuss your concerns and options for treatment.